Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be cooking some 100% plant-based products, okay? We have some Incogmeato burgers from Morningstar, okay? For you guys who have followed my channel for a while, you guys know that my wife does not eat meat, not because she doesn't like meat, because of health reasons. So she substitutes that with soy products or plant-based burgers and products. Okay, and so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be testing out the Incognito burgers, and we're going to be adding the Morningstar bacon, little fake bacon or faux bacon as you want to call it. And I'm going to cook them in my little secret ingredient. I'm going to cook them in some bacon grease that I have left over from a previous cook, okay, to try to give it a more savory and bacon like flavor. All right, we're going to be adding some sauteed onions. We're going to be toasting some brioche buns, and we're going to be putting it all together. Okay, so hey, don't go nowhere and check out this quick cook. It's all music, so I hope you guys enjoy it because the guys are out here cutting grass today, and so it's almost impossible to get any kind of vocals in on your videos. Okay, so hey, give me some comments at the end if you guys eat these Incognito or these soy burgers or these 100% plant-based products. Hey, give me some more suggestions for the wife. We're going to be probably doing a series of plant-based or soy type cooks, because I'll be increasing my recipe catalog in order to accommodate her. Okay, so hey, sit back, relax, enjoy the cook, and then give me some content. I mean, some comments at the end. Okay, hey, don't go nowhere. All right, so we put together our burgers now. So we're gonna have the big taste test to give the wife one. I'll take one. She's gonna be off camera giving her opinion. Here you go. All right. So just to recap, these are Incognito burgers, patties from MorningStar, supposed to be 100% plant-based. So I'm gonna see how I like them as a carnivore. Okay, plus they got the MorningStar bacon on there. The meats were cooked in bacon grease. So we sauteed some onions, seasoned them in peanut oil, and then and we toasted the brioche bread. So here we go. Hmm.
Not bad. Tastes good.
I'm gonna be honest. These are really good, depending on how you cook them and how you season them. Um, I mean, you can taste a little of the soy. The bacon has that nice crispiness to it,
Mm-hmm.
and the onions taste really good on it. Also, the seasoning we used was Ben's Heifer Dust from Rectech, but um, I think I can get with these for a while. You know, you can't eat meat all the time and stuff, so but this is a good alternative. We'll have to do some more videos on some plant-based products. So, uh, what?
Tastes real good. I like it.
Okay. So I guess we'll be doing burgers this way for a while. So since I don't mind eating them, then you know, we'll eat a little something a little healthier. So okay, let me get one more bite. All right, guys. Well, that's about it. So first Blackstone cook of the season, and we threw some Incogmeato burgers on it. So some soy burgers or whatever their plants they're using to make these things out of. I have to do a little bit more research, but all in all, I think you'll like these. So try these out for an alternative to meat. Okay. Well, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then man, there just might be a barbecue there or some plants growing on your hamburger. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. These are good. You should have been on camera. Next time you get on camera. You ain't got to get all gussied up for camera work.
Okay.
See you guys in the next video.